Why do I make things complicated? Why do I lose all my control? I keep on letting my bad habits.
Hi everyone, my name is Madeline if you're new around here, and today I'm sharing a master bedroom makeover with you. I've included how to make these easy DIY boho lamps from a simple lampshade one. I'm also sharing how I decorated around the room to give it a more boho aesthetic, as well as some cleaning motivation. I hope you leave this video feeling inspired to clean and revamp your master bedroom without breaking the bank, because this video is filled with bargain purchases. So if you like room makeover videos, do give this little video a like and make sure to subscribe for more.
Something to save us, close but we're strangers, feel like we're far apart.
First thing that I'm going to do is revamp this older white lamp that I had from Wilko. So it's got a white lampshade and a silver base. What you're going to need for this is some wooden dowels. I got these ones from Amazon. I will link the exact ones down below. I believe these are 3mm ones. If you can't get the exact length that you need, you can just get longer ones and then cut them yourself, because they are very thin, so it's quite easy to cut them. I actually found this idea on Pinterest, and I'm going to link it down below for anyone who's interested. The exact steps and more details on these DIY lamps are in the blog post that I wrote over on my blog, which is always linked in the description box. Basically what I'm doing is I'm going to glue gun the dowels, each one at a time, and I'm using one small dot at the top and one at the bottom, and I'm just going to glue them all around the lampshade. And after I've done the entire lampshade, I'm going to take my raffia ribbon here, and I'm going to use the glue gun as well, just to kind of glue it between each dowel, so it kind of makes it look like it's wrapped around, if you know what I mean.
Keep it deep inside myself. I swear to never talk about it until I start to yell. Something to save us, close but we're strangers, feel like we're far apart.
After I have finished with the dowels and also the raffia, I am going to take the lampshade off, because that's pretty much done. So I'm just going to take it off and use the base, and I'm going to head outside and spray paint it with my spray paint here. I used this one from Rust-Oleum, the Painter's Touch one, and it was really good. I think it gives a really nice finish, and it went on really well, so I would highly recommend that one. I left my base to dry outside for at least 24 hours. I actually kept it in our shed, so it won't get rained on. I'm going to go around and dust the furniture in here, and I first use a dust cloth, and then I use my method spray and also a regular microfiber cloth, just to go around all the furniture and make sure it is dust free. And I'm also going to dust the skirting boards in here, because they were very, very dusty, so it was desperately needed today.
On repeat, I will break like a twig right under your feet. Don't you say that you didn't want me. You turned me upside down, and then you into my bed and under my skin. Oh, where will it end if I let it begin? So bittersweet, you know life's too short, so let's not waste another minute.
I'm also cleaning the mirrored wardrobe with my Method Glass Spray. This wardrobe is from IKEA, it's the PAX one, and we actually customized this one on their website to fit this space exactly. So it's really lovely, and I feel like it makes the room look bigger because it's mirrored, so I really love that about this wardrobe.
Take another go round. Hey, now you know you have.
And hooray, we finally got bedside tables. I've been waiting for this moment for so long. I found these ones in Homebase and I think they look amazing. They've got that kind of Scandinavian minimalist look that I just love. And they were only £30 each, which I think is amazing for bedside tables that look like this. And they're actually really good quality as well. So I will try to link them down below if I can still find them.
To decide, and you gotta tell me what's on your mind. Wait a while, you gotta take a deep breath. I can make you smile when I let you into my bed and under my skin. But where will it end if I let it begin? It's trick or treat. You know life's too short, so let's not waste another minute. It's alright now. Listen to
I am also going to remake the bed here. Our white bedding is a textured one and it was from Primark last year. This one is my favorite one, to be honest. And I think Primark actually have really lovely bedding at a really great price as usual.
I'm looking up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow.
I found in IKEA a while ago these cushion covers in a lovely mustard color, but I didn't put them on until now because I wanted to save them for this makeover video. They were an absolute bargain at only £1.75. How great is that for some cushion covers? So I couldn't pass them up. And I think they bring so much color and warmth into our bedroom, and I just love them so much. So I'm really excited to put them on today. Also, I'm curious, what's one thing that you would like to add into your bedroom this year? Let me know in the comments below. I would really love to know.
I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room.
Then this home cushion is one that I got from Homebase not too long ago, and I really love the handwriting on it. I think it looks really cute. And finally, for our bed, I'm going to use this chunky knit throw that you guys know I've had for I think since last year, and it's from Primark as well. I will link some similar ones as well, but I think it gives it such a cozy vibe.
Kennedy saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food.
Then I'm going to bring in the BOHO lampshades that I just DIY'd. I think they tie in really well with the rest of the decor in here. Kind of minimalist, BOHO. I just really love it. I'm really pleased with these.
I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room.
I also try to hide the cables as much as I can behind the bedside tables.
Order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared.
Now on to one of my favorite parts. I'm so excited to add some lovely Pampers to my home decor. Pampers is everywhere at the moment, as you probably have noticed already, and I just love the boho vibe that they give. So I bought a big bunch of 10 Pampers from someone on Etsy, as well as a smaller bunch of bunny tails. I will link below the Etsy shop where I got these. They were a great price too for the amount that you get. And I think I'll be able to get 2 vases out of these larger Pampers. As you can see, I put some in this white vase, and then some of them I actually put back in their box because I'm going to use those downstairs in the living room, I think. I also made sure to hairspray them because I read that's recommended to do in order to ensure that they last really well and to stop any shedding from happening.
5 a.m. and we are in trouble, but we don't really care. Tell ourselves there's always tomorrow, but it will still be there. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. No, I just wanna say get away. Another day of beg, steal and borrow, and that is safe to say. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. Hey. No, I just wanna say hell no, and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make it hit and run, do it for fun. They can't hold on forever, so just say hell no. Yeah, we'll be going all night. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes.
Then I'm going to go ahead and clean up all the mess that I just made by taking out all of the Pampers and the bunny tails. So I took the bigger parts to the bin, and then I'm also going to use a cloth just to kind of remove the smaller bits from this dressing table. And then I'm also going to go around that Hoover because there were lots of bits on the floor, as you can see here.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say.
Then I started bringing back some of my other decor pieces in here. I have lots of little baskets from either IKEA or from Primark. And I recently ordered this round rattan mirror, which I just love so much. It kind of looks like a sun mirror, if you know what I mean. And this mirror will be linked down below as well. I got it from H&M.
When you don't have to, there's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe, but still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing.
And then over on this side of the room, we took out that long mirror that we had in here because I found that I wasn't using it as much since we have the mirrored wardrobe. So we took that one in storage for now. And I brought this gray chair that I think it looks so lovely. It's again that Scandinavian minimalist style. So I'm going to put this in the corner and just kind of make a little cozy corner here as well. I've got this basket from IKEA, and then I've got another cushion. This one is also from Homebase.
And playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this
I would love to hear your thoughts on this bedroom makeover in the comments, and give this video a like if it gave you a little bit of inspo. Do subscribe for more videos like this, and I hope to see you again very, very soon. Have a lovely day. Bye guys!